G'day and welcome to Nature Walk. I'm your host, Tex Greycloud, and this is John Forest National Park. We're at the picnic area, which is behind me. So if you happen to come here by car, it is $12 all day to get in. Unfortunately, they do not take cash, only MasterCard. So let's go for a walk. So as you can see, this is the picnic area of the park. There's plenty of barbecues around if you want to have a barbecue lunch or bring your own food, as long as you do the right thing and put your rubbish in the bins. I'll show you around. Now there's plenty of little trails around that you can take to go for a visit. Pretty amazing place to be. I'll just show you around a bit more. Just some building in progress, just to improve certain facilities around the area. Plenty of visitors. Here we are, folks. A little bit of history. Jane Brook Trail. Jane Brook was named after Jane Eliza Curie, a first settler in the Swan River colony, now in Perth, in 1829. She was a competent landscape artist, and his surviving paintings capture life at that time. Western Australia's Premier, John Forest, declared this WA's first national park in 1900. The first recreation facilities were constructed in the early 1930s, and it became an inexpensive train day trip to enjoy this primeval forest. One event in 1932 set a new Australian record, with 2,600 people crowding trains for guided walks in the park. Not a single sour face among the whole light-hearted throng. Oh hey, when you think about it, being out in nature, well, would you be sour-faced? This is great stuff. I'll just show you around a bit more. Now, as you can see behind me, plenty of parking for everyone. There's facilities, and if you want history or information on the park itself, that's where you go. There's just some signs over here. And of course, as usual, it says, don't get lost. Follow the markers and stay on the path. But if you're an experienced hiker like me, getting lost is very hard to do. Well, besides the fact that I do have a GPS on me, but I have the sun to work by if I don't have my GPS. Okay, I need to wrap this video up, so until next time, see you then.